Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Eyelet Kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any crafter or DIY enthusiast, allowing you to create professional-looking holes in various materials such as fabric, leather, or paper. And this comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of eyelet kits and find the perfect one to match your needs and skill level, covering everything from the essential tools included to the different types of eyelets and their applications, ensuring you can confidently tackle any project that requires clean, reinforced holes. Number 5. 803 Pcs Grommet Eyelet Pliers Kit. This kit is perfect for adding decorative grommets to various materials. It's easy to use and includes everything you need to get started. It's great for leather, paper, and other thin materials. Remember, it's designed for decoration, not heavy-duty use. The pliers are lightweight and comfortable to hold, making the process simple and efficient. Just follow the instructions for best results. You get 400 gold and 400 silver eyelets, matching washers, the pliers, and a helpful instruction manual. Everything you need is right here. Ensure you use the correct direction when using the pliers to avoid damage. Adding the washers will reinforce your grommets. With this kit, you can easily add a touch of elegance to your DIY projects. Unleash your creativity. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 803 pieces, offering exceptional value for your money. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. If you're on a budget and want a large quantity of eyelets for various craft projects, this is the ideal choice. What people say. These are exactly what I needed to modify some flags that I bought to hang on the walls in my garage. The first few are in the photo. Most flags come with grommets only on the left side. Since I am hanging them flat against the wall, I needed grommets on the right side as well. These are smaller grommets than the flags have, but they do the job, without being too obvious. My flags are thin polyester, so the grommets just cut through without any trouble. There is a punch included for thicker material, but I haven't used it yet. This does come with silver and gold colored grommets. The instruction sheet shows how to use the tool with photos. The build quality of the tool is plenty good enough for home use. Item arrived on time and in working order. This will be a useful tool that we will put to work on the farm. So far, initial use has been successful. The grommets aren't that high quality but work great for basic needs. They stay on well. Grommets come in silver color and in gold color, which is nice. The pliers looking part feels nice and sturdy. Easy to hold grip and easy to squeeze unlike some of the bigger bulkier types. It's not heavy or uncomfortable to use, so a plus on ease of use. Number 4. Bememo Grommet Kit. This kit is perfect for all your crafting and repair needs. It includes everything you need to easily install grommets. You'll receive 200 grommets in 4 stylish colors: bronze, gunmetal, gold, and silver. That's 50 of each color to suit any project. These grommets are made from high-quality copper, ensuring they're strong and long-lasting. They measure 1 4-inch inside diameter and 3 8-inch outside diameter. Installation is a breeze. Simply use the included tools to punch a hole and set the grommets. It's easy enough for DIY projects. It's great for repairing shoes, clothing, bags, and more. They are also ideal for leather crafts, tents, and canvas projects. Everything is neatly organized in a clear storage box, making it easy to find what you need. Keep your grommets and tools together and ready to use. What we like. Made from durable copper, these grommets are built to last. The variety of colors allows for creative customization, and the handy storage box keeps everything neatly organized. If you need high-quality, long-lasting grommets with a convenient storage solution, this kit is for you. What people say. The kit comes with 200 sets of grommets and eyelets, which is more than enough for any project. The quality is top-notch, the grommets are made of sturdy metal, and they're perfectly uniform in size. The installation tool that comes with the kit is easy to use and works great. No issues with rusting or bending, even after a few months of use. Number 3. Mutter 301 Pcs Grommet Kit. This kit has everything you need to add grommets to your projects. It's easy to use and comes with plenty of eyelets in 2 colors. Each grommet is 1 4-inch inner diameter, making it ideal for various fabrics and materials. Double-check the size before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. The pliers are designed for comfortable use, reducing hand strain. Just punch a hole, insert the grommet, and squeeze the pliers. It's that simple. Made of high-quality steel with a chrome-plated finish, these pliers are built to last. They work on leather, fabric, and more. This kit includes the pliers, 100 gold and 200 silver grommets, plenty for all your projects. No need to buy anything else. Watch the included video for detailed instructions. Remember to avoid overpressing the pliers after the grommet is set. What we like. This kit features a convenient one-piece punch, streamlining the process. With 300 eyelets included, you'll have plenty for numerous projects. If you value efficiency and a simple, all-in-one tool, this is the perfect option. What people say. You have to pre-cut the fabric as instructed in the photos, but once you do that, this eyelet tool works perfectly. Make sure to align the tool the correct way to ensure even crimping. Again, look at the photos. It's a good tool to use on grommets, but the package I got didn't have the very thin disc piece and only the tops. Luckily I already had extra grommets in the same size. Looks great and easy to use. Be careful not to make the hole too big or it won't hold. Mine did not come with instructions, but it's pretty simple to use. The smaller flat part acts like a washer. You place it on after inserting the grommet, then place the knob on the tool onto the hole and clamp down so the split ends wrap around the washer. Number 2. BIZOEPRO Grommet Kit. This kit is perfect for all your grommet needs. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to use, making it ideal for various projects. Its special design makes it flexible for any angle. The spring-loaded mechanism ensures quick and easy operation, whether indoors or outdoors. The upgraded magnetic dies securely hold the grommets and washers. The adjustable angle improves precision and speeds up your workflow. It's perfect for banners, tarps, clothing, bags, and more. Use it for repairs, crafting, or any project requiring grommets. The comfortable, non-slip handle provides a secure grip and reduces fatigue during use. It's built to last. These durable, high-purity metal grommets are rust-resistant and built for long-lasting use. They're easy to install and create a neat, professional finish. What we like. Built for heavy-duty use, these grommets and the tool are designed to withstand significant stress. The larger 3/8-inch size is ideal for thicker materials. If you need a robust solution for tarps, banners, or other heavy-duty applications, this is your best bet. What people say. The kit came with 500 pieces of grommets, which was more than enough for all our projects. The quality of the grommets was excellent. They were durable and held up well throughout the event without any issues. The tool itself was easy to use and made inserting the grommets a breeze. It was perfect for working with fabric, vinyl, and other materials we used for our decorations. It saved us so much time compared to other methods we tried in the past. The included hole punch kit made the process easier. The pliers were easy to use and didn't need much force. For an inexpensive kit, this grommet tool kit is a good deal. Number 1. HAPDEN Grommet Kit. This kit makes adding grommets quick and easy. It's perfect for DIY projects and crafting. It includes a hole punch, so you can add grommets without pre-drilling. Save time and effort with this handy tool. The improved design ensures accurate placement every time. It's designed for a more precise and efficient grommet setting experience. It's made of lightweight aluminum alloy, making it easy to handle and transport. Its compact size makes it ideal for various projects. The comfortable, one-piece handle prevents peeling and provides a secure grip. It's designed for comfortable and extended use. The chrome-plated metal grommets are rust-resistant and look great. They're built to last and enhance your projects. What we like. This kit eliminates the need for pre-drilling, saving you time and effort. Its lightweight design makes it portable and easy to handle. The anti-rust grommets ensure long-lasting durability. If you prioritize convenience, portability, and longevity, this is the kit for you. What people say. This is a very easy-to-use grommet and tool set. The functionality of this tool is amazing. It very easily allowed me to set grommets. Product is heavy-duty, solid construction and material. Used a few times already and performed as described. Had never used a tool like this. The instructions were clear and simple. The sturdy construction ensures durability, making it suitable for a variety of materials. The ergonomic design of the handheld press machine makes it comfortable to use, even during extended crafting sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.